Introduction to Mastering Your Tennis Serve.
The tennis serve is one of the most crucial shots in the game. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve, mastering your serve can drastically impact your performance. In this guide, you'll discover step-by-step techniques that boost both your power and accuracy, setting the foundation for success every time you step onto the court.
Perfecting your stance and grip.
Start with the right stance and grip. Stand sideways to the baseline with feet shoulder-width apart and weight balanced. Use a continental grip. Hold the racket as if shaking hands. This grip offers the most flexibility for spin and control, essential for serving powerfully and accurately. Practice getting comfortable with this position before progressing to the toss.
Mastering the toss.
A consistent toss is vital for a reliable serve. Hold the ball with your fingertips, not the palm, and toss with a straight, relaxed arm. The toss should rise slightly in front of you and high enough to allow full arm extension when striking. Focus on repeatability. A controlled, accurate toss is the foundation of every effective serve.
Executing the smooth swing.
The swing combines power and fluidity. After your toss, bring the racket back in a smooth motion. Rotate your shoulders, bend your knees, and explode upward toward the ball. Extend your arm fully as you contact the ball at its highest point, snapping your wrist to generate speed and spin. Follow through naturally to promote accuracy and reduce injury risk.
Adding power and direction.
Aim for both power and precision. Hit the ball with your body's momentum, not just your arm. Use your legs and core to drive upward, and push off the ground as you serve. Visualize your target on the court, whether going for the wide corner or down the tee line, and adjust your toss and swing angle accordingly for accuracy.
Practice tips and common mistakes.
Regular practice transforms your serve. Focus on one part of your technique at a time during practice sessions. Avoid common mistakes like rushing your toss, using only arm strength, or losing balance. Video yourself or ask for feedback to spot improvements. Over time, these focused adjustments will help you deliver a more powerful and accurate serve.